Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Baas Blockchain as a Service by Microsoft Azure. In this course, we'll learn what exactly blockchain as a service mean and why we should be opting the Microsoft Azure to if we want to launch our own blockchain. So this lecture is all about the introduction and overview of the course, where you'll see what we are going to learn in the entire course. So let's go to the next slide. This is me, your trainer. I'll be your instructor during the entire course. I'm a technologist, serial entrepreneur, coder, IIT Bombay alumnus, founded Records Keeper, a blockchain-based record-keeping solution. Earlier, I also founded a company called Vigilant, which was in mobile application security scanning. So I'm very passionate about the new technologies and especially blockchain and security. I was also the part of the Forbes 30 under 30 list in 2016. So below are my coordinates. If you have any questions or doubt, you can ask me here anytime, or you can directly post the questions here in the platform. So I have designed this course for everyone who is interested in understanding blockchain as a service for their project, college projects, or office projects, or even research based projects, so that they can deploy the blockchain quickly rather than investing time in setting up things. Of course, everybody wants to focus on development, not on the setting up the environment. So this course will help you understanding what exactly Microsoft Azure offering which is called blockchain as a service, and how can you use it for your own purpose, and what are the multiple options you have when you sign up for this. Okay, so here's what we are going to learn. So first we'll be learning and we'll going through the background of whatever blockchain, Ethereum and smart contracts are, because that's is most important part before we go ahead. So we'll quickly brief you about blockchain, Ethereum and smart contracts. Then we'll talk about what is blockchain as a service, what exactly blockchain as a service mean to as a customer, to as a enterprises, to as an organization, right? And how it is comparable with the SaaS, which is a very known industry expert uh, views are actually there in the space. So we'll talk about that, which is called SaaS, and how it is better and how it is different from SaaS. And then we'll talk about why blockchain is a service from Microsoft Azure, why not from IBM for other applications. So yes, they have a pretty good reasons to go ahead with the Microsoft Azure rather than other platform. And why not with AWS? Is AWS having the blockchain as a service? Maybe we'll answer that question in the course. Then we'll talk about the what are the possible options in the Microsoft blockchain solution we have. So there will be 5 or 6 different options that you can actually launch using the Microsoft Azure, and what are the different type of blockchain that you can set up and how you will set up. We'll just quickly brief you about that, and then we'll talk about what you can learn next from here. So if you want to talk about, okay, I want to launch my own blockchain, what should I learn next? So all these questions will be answering, and then we'll take ahead. Okay, so this is about this lecture. So remember that we'll be going through very slowly, and we'll be talking precisely about blockchain as a service, not about blockchain or not about how blockchain works, not about Ethereum details. Because in the first lecture, since we are talking about blockchain and Ethereum, we'll be talking briefly about it, so that you can get the background knowledge before we jump into the course. And this course will let you understand whether you should use a blockchain as a service, or you should actually set up your own blockchain by setting up the environment and the nodes and start mining by themselves, rather than using the ready-made solutions or as a package. Remember, the blockchain as a service is offering you a package where you can, so that you can set up everything's quickly. So it may be like a kind of a tool which you can actually click a button and launch your own blockchain. Or if you are not comfortable with that, because you want to understand the basics and you want to understand how to even set up even a single node from scratch, maybe because this way you learn more and you want to invest on that foundations more than setting up the environment quickly and start jumping into a development. So that's your choice, and you can decide whether you should go ahead with blockchain as a service or your own nodes, right? That depends. So this course will actually help you figuring out whether what is a good idea, whether you should go ahead with that path or that path. So that's how we'll talk about, and we'll talk everything in a fast and a quick way, so that you don't have to waste your time in understanding something which probably you are never going to use in your entire life. So that's all about the course. I hope you will enjoy the course, and please sign up, and I'm sure that you will love it and you will use it for the rest of your life if you are building a product or a project in blockchain. Thank you.